Welcome back, guys. An old friend of mine, Fog, over at Binary Zoo, had mentioned something about making the pitch or the frequency of the shots vary between shots, so that's you don't have this, I don't know, monotone cacophony kicking in, like we're just same sound and tone over and over again. So you need a little bit of variance. So made a global variable and called it the warble, and it's set to like 0.2, and then that's applied to the requested frequency of the beam or the beam phase or whatever the shot is. In this case, I'm talking about lasers, the lasers on the player ship here. And the same thing was done to the bad guys. Actually, I'm going to leave it on the bad guys one. I think the bad guys one is a little easier to see. Yeah. So we're telling it to make the laser line visible. Fair enough. If the laser sound exists, in other words, is there a player? Because some of the thing about Godot is duck typing and the ability to check if something exists before you use it. Might as well do that because maybe I made a silent gun somewhere. Who knows? Anyhow, if there's a laser sound and it's not null, we want the base frequency to be the beam phase to start off with. Then we want the base frequency to be adjusted by a delta of the warble. So we're going to get a random float multiplier based off the warble, and then we're going to apply it to the pitch scale, and then we're going to play the sound. Then once that sound is playing, we can go through. Oh, Dougie just came by. Once the sound is playing, every time the laser shot, the sound is going to change. Now, for bullets, you do the same thing, but every time they're created, you just at one time apply that warble. With the guns, though, they take multiple shots, so you want them to, with the laser anyways, the laser's mounted on the gun, so you want it to change. So if you see here, the laser is actually an object that changes length based on how far to the target. So you want this to show and hide or whatever, whereas something that shoots bullets or cannon shots, like this one here, the laser beam is hidden because it's the indicator that this one actually shoots a projectile. So get back here. So that's what that does. What we're going to do is see what that sounds like now. Some of the audio has been changed around. So I'm just going to launch this. And as usual, it goes black for a couple of seconds. And I still haven't figured out that why. Oh, and I'm about to die. No, maybe not. Okay. So you see, these are my lasers here. So I'm going to... Oh, there's... Oh, this laser isn't making a sound. Oh, because I didn't set any of it. It's just, that's what happens when you don't set a sound. I didn't put a sound on that one. So, well, hang on, there's the bad guys in here. I don't know if you guys can even hear me, but all those lasers are angry. So I got to go back through and set their volume and stuff. But, yeah. Oh, something else since the last time we had the video here. And I imagine the game audio is way too high. The explosions are different. So we have these fellas here, and I'm going to die on purpose here actually. I'm going to try and take one of these guys out. There we go. But this is what happens if the player dies. It shouldn't take too long. Boom. Yeah. Anyhow, that's a small update for today. If you like this kind of thing, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.